Some people wonder, how can I compare an Irish medium preschool to an English medium preschool? Well, in my view, as an educator, the children get all the same opportunities to play, to be themselves, to develop social skills, to play with outdoor resources, to develop their sensory experiences. But there's an extra dimension to Irish medium. So you get the same things, but an added bonus, an added extra.
A hand, a dog, a tree, a cat.
So there's no difference between an Irish medium preschool or an English medium preschool. The only difference is we're giving them the gift of the Irish language.
So in an Irish medium school, the curriculum is exactly the same as in any other school, except the child comes out at the end with an additional skill and an additional language.
Well, I can only speak from my own experiences. So we were slightly apprehensive at the start, but now that we're 3 years down the line, it's fantastic. The quality of the teaching, the range is as good as you'll get anywhere, simple as that. And the fact is, the child's learning his native language, which I think is really, really important.
The children learn to engage and explore the language in a caring setting, that there's no pressure on them, and they pick up so much. They're like wee sponges, they pick up so much, and they all seem to have a wonderful time.
Well, I suppose I probably would be all on for going to the Naíscoil and following on to the Naíscoil purely because of our experience. We haven't had a minute's bother.
When we made the decision to send our first child through Irish medium, there were some parents asked us, why Irish? It's a dead language. You know, where's it going to take her? What's it going to achieve? She was fortunate to have enrolled in Naíscoil Carntagher and then follow through into Bunscoil Niamh Bridge. So she progressed into St Mary's in Marfelt, then progressed on to Queen's to electrical and electronic engineering and achieved a first class honours in engineering from Queen's. The skills that it gave her to develop her educational journey and follow through in her career were second to none.
I'd just like to say to any parent out there considering sitting on the fence, go for it, take the risk, do it. There are only benefits to be had. Speak to your local school if you have any questions, take a visit, have a conversation with people who you know who have come through Irish medium or whose children are currently in Irish medium, and join us, because this is something very special that you can give your child that they will take with them for the rest of their life.
A hen, a dog,